Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect TensorFlow datasets with Google Cloud Storage, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred code editor. Ensure you have TensorFlow and TensorFlow datasets installed in your environment. If you haven't installed them yet, run the command pip install TensorFlow datasets. Open a new Python script or Jupyter notebook. Import the necessary libraries by adding the following lines. Import TensorFlow as tf import TensorFlow_data. To do this, you'll need to authenticate your Google Cloud account. Use the command cloudauth login to access your Google Cloud credentials. Set your environment variable to point to your Google Cloud storage bucket. You can do this using export Google_Cloud_storage_bucket equals your bucket name. Now, it's time to load your dataset from TensorFlow Datasets. Decide on the dataset you want to use, for example, NIST. Load the dataset by calling ds_train, ds_test equals tfds.load, NIST, split satface train, test, as_supervised equals true. Next, set up the directory where your dataset will be stored. Use the following command to define the destination path. Data_dir equals gs // your bucket name /NIST data. Now, save your dataset to Google Cloud Storage. You can do this by iterating through the dataset and saving each example. Use a for loop to go through ds_train, where you save the data, for image, label in ds_train, hashtag code to save image and label to Google Cloud Storage. Make sure to specify any necessary configurations while saving. This ensures that your data is correctly formatted and stored. Once completed, verify that the files have been uploaded to your Google Cloud Storage bucket. Go back to your Google Cloud Console and navigate to your bucket to check. For further usage, you can load your dataset directly from Google Cloud Storage in future projects. Use the same tfds.load method but change the data_dir parameter to point to your bucket. ds_train equals tfds.load, NIST, data_dir equals gs // your bucket name /NIST data, split equals train. This completes the connection between TensorFlow datasets and Google Cloud Storage. You are now ready to utilize your dataset for training models in the cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.